Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp ramen noodles. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 package of instant ramen, about 4 ounces of peeled and deveined raw shrimp, and 1 cup of your preferred broth. Don't forget any optional toppings you enjoy, like a soft-boiled egg or some fresh green onions. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a small saucepan. Add your ramen noodles and cook them for about 2 minutes. Next, gently stir in your prepared shrimp. Continue cooking for an additional 2 to 3 minutes or until the shrimp turn a vibrant pink and are completely cooked through. This quick cooking ensures tender, delicious shrimp. It's time to bring all those delicious flavors together. Carefully drain most of the water from your saucepan, leaving approximately 1/4 cup. Now, pour in your 1 cup of broth and add the ramen seasoning packet. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure the seasoning is evenly distributed and all the ingredients are well combined. This step creates the rich, savory base for your ramen. Your delicious shrimp ramen is now ready. Carefully transfer the hot ramen into your favorite serving bowl. This is the perfect time to add any final garnishes, like sliced green onions or a perfectly soft-boiled egg. For an extra layer of flavor, a small drizzle of sesame oil works wonders. Enjoy your homemade, easy shrimp ramen while it's warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.